Welcome to Everything Animal, where we explore the fascinating world of animals and their natural habitats. Our aim is to introduce both kids and adults to the incredible diversity of life within the animal kingdom, by taking you on a journey through different environments and ecosystems across the globe. In today's video we will be discussing coyotes. Before we get into the video, subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and ring the bell to get notified when animal videos are released. If you're interested in books, shirts, toys, and stuffed animals featuring the animal discussed in this video, be sure to check out the links provided in the video's description. Welcome to the wild world of coyotes. These clever canines are fascinating creatures that roam the North American continent. We will embark on an exciting adventure to learn all about coyotes. Get ready to discover their physical features, their unique behaviors, and some fun facts that will make you appreciate these incredible animals even more. Coyotes are medium-sized mammals that belong to the dog family. They have a slender body covered in thick fur, which can range in color from gray to brown. Coyotes have pointed ears, a long bushy tail, and a keen sense of smell. They are excellent runners and have a playful, curious nature. Coyotes are incredibly adaptable animals, which means they can live in many different habitats. Whether it's forests, grasslands, deserts, or even cities, coyotes have managed to make these places their home. They are skilled at finding food and water, and they can survive in challenging conditions. Coyotes are primarily active during the night, making them nocturnal animals. They have sharp teeth and powerful jaws that help them catch their prey. From small rodents like mice and rabbits to insects and even fruits, coyotes have a diverse diet. They are opportunistic hunters, meaning they will eat whatever is available to them. Coyotes are social animals that live in small groups called packs. A pack usually consists of a dominant male and female, called the alpha pair, along with their offspring. These families work together to find food, protect their territory, and raise their young. Coyote pups, known as pups, are born in underground dens and are cared for by their parents until they are old enough to venture out on their own. You may have heard the distinctive howl of a coyote in movies or on TV. Howling is an important way for coyotes to communicate with each other. It helps them stay connected as a pack, establish their territory, and warn off other coyotes. Their howls can be long and haunting, echoing through the night. Coyotes are incredible creatures that have adapted to survive in diverse environments. Their intelligence, adaptability, and unique behaviors make them fascinating animals to study. From their physical features to their hunting strategies and social structures, there's so much to learn and appreciate about coyotes. Remember, these clever canines play an essential role in the ecosystems they inhabit, so let's continue to admire and respect these amazing creatures from a distance. Hope you enjoyed the video and learning about coyotes. Thanks for watching.